question always coach should ask themselves, or maybe even athletes ask sometimes for yourself. One is why. So usually, like whenever you are going to start any training sessions, you should ask yourself why it is important, and you should know the answer. Like obviously, why you are doing that training session, why you are doing that drill. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है खुद को एज अ कोच पूछना, और इवन एथलीट्स विल डेफिनेटली आस्क यू कि हम लोग ये क्यों कर रहे हैं. सो ये क्यों कर रहे हैं, ये डेफिनेटली वी शुड एक्सप्लेन देम. तो इट्स इजी टू जस्ट डेवलप दैट थिंग्स. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट, कि हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं, कौन से ड्रिल्स हम कर सकते हैं इसमें, उससे कौन सी चीज़ें डेवलप हो सकती है, विच इज़ अगेन इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट. एंड नेक्स्ट इज लास्ट एज हाउ. सो अब जब हमें पता हो कि हमें क्या करना है, then the next question is how to do that, उसको करना कैसे है. So again it's very important point. Today I'll show you lots of demonstrations of different drills. So I know like people, coaches, athletes, they love videos, so for that I'm just putting it for all of you. So we can have the first video here. So here this I'm just telling him to walk, and he started walking now. You can see he's looking down. Now I told him to push his hips and then walk again. See, you can see here now is looking little bit tall, and now at last I told him to look front and walk. Yeah, here it is. So he is now tall, nice posture and walking through. Yes. So this is very initial point, guys. But if you'll ask me, I will identify athlete through his walking. I don't need to see his running or like that, because the sporty kids, like athletes, by default they walk, like a sporty person, which is very important. Whenever you're walking wherever, I just tell my athletes, walk straight, look front, sit straight. These are basic things, but yes, we have to follow throughout the day, wherever you are. So it's very important. Jogging drill is something which is very important, and your head again similar points. Now look at, guys, the similar points you have to follow in every drills, like relaxation, then tall, stay tall and relax head, look front. And now the next is just roll your foot on the ground. It's very important. When you are jogging, just rolling your foot on the ground is very important. That gives you relaxation in your feet. Just be relaxed, and that's very important, guys. So now have a look for the jogging video. So guys, basically just I told him to jog. Yes, so nice tall, he's rolling his foot. So you can see that on the ground, nicely rolling the foot and all. So yes, very important. Jog you can use it like during warm-up, during cool-down, or in between the race, wherever you want to use it. But just remember these points, and just tell your athletes, especially young beginner athletes, whenever they are going for jog, just remember these points and go through it, guys. Marching drill is just a little bit complex to the walking drills, okay? And where you are going to lift your leg, okay? So here you can see the image of what are things you are going to use, that like your arms should be relaxed, okay? And maybe you can lift up to 90 degrees, stay tall, head relaxed, eyes looking forward. Now the new point you can learn here is thighs parallel to the ground. So because you are going to lift your leg in this drill, so remember this, guys. So you have to lift and thigh parallel to the ground. The next drill is again a progression from marching drill to the skipping drill. Skipping is something kind of jump maybe, and just you have to push your leg, and the similar what you saw in this marching drill, यही हम करेंगे skipping drill में. Skipping drill ऐसा है जहाँ पे आपको जस्ट पुश करना है लेग को, और यहाँ पे मैं 3 तरीके के ड्रिल्स आपको दिखा रहा हूँ. 3 types of drills: skip A, skip B and skip C. What are the points you should focus here? One is again same, eyes looking forward. Another is arm relaxed and stay tall, thighs parallel to the ground, because again you are going to lift your leg, so thighs should be parallel. And remember, this one additional is punching down. So when you are lifting your arm, so when it is going down, just punch it down very quickly so that your another leg will come up. And the last, the focus point here in this slide is toes up dorsiflex. Okay, your toes should be always जस्ट उसको पुल करके रखना है ऊपर की तरफ टुवर्ड्स शीन, टुवर्ड्स योर नी, बहुत ज़रूरी है। और इसी के वजह से आप लैंड करते समय बॉल ऑफ द फुट पे लैंड कर सकते हो। सो रिमेंबर गाइस, फॉर ऑल द न्यू कोचेस, बिगिनर एथलीट्स, रिमेंबर दिस की पोजीशंस, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट व्हाइल रनिंग। सो toes up, dorsiflex. Okay, you want to see video now? Great, have a look video. So first one is skip A. Nicely he's doing it. So guys, just on the skip B, it's nothing but just an extension of your leg while getting down. तो आपको सिर्फ इतना ही करना है इसमें कि स्किप ए के बाद जो स्किप बी में आपको नी से लेग को एक्सटेंड करना है टुवर्ड्स ग्राउंड। ठीक है, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है इसमें। जस्ट हैव अ लुक फॉर स्किप बी। And now the third and again the more complex than the last one is skip C, where you will lift your leg forward and sideways, both ways. So but it is good for the hip mobility, it's good for the hip abduction. So just have a look for video. Forward sideways. So this is the way you can do this skipping drill. So very important drill this. Lastly we are coming on the last point, that is a running drill. So guys, now as I told you in the initial first slide that we are going from simple to complex to specific. Now these are some specific drills which you should do it for just before running. और हम लोग वॉकिंग से स्टार्ट किए थे, वॉकिंग से जॉगिंग से marching to skipping, and now running. So see the progression, or this is, I said, you should go with this proper progressions always. What are the points we can cover here? Like same, looking forward, very important, arm relaxed, punching down, stay tall, eyes parallel to the ground. And what are the additional points? One is knees 90 degree and landing on the ball of the foot. As I told you just before this, toes up dorsiflexion is in after that reflecting into the landing on the ball of the foot. आप जब toes को dorsiflexion एंगल में जब उठाते हो और आप लैंड करते हो, by default वो landing ball of the foot ही होगा. Don't tell athletes to landing on the toes. It's actually on the ball of the foot. Very important guy. Just एक वीडियो देखेंगे और उसके बाद I'll just tell you something on this as well. So first drill is going to do is ankle drill. No need to lift your knee much, just close and landing on the ball of the foot. Any action, and then at the end straight leg bound. It's very important, straight leg bounding for your whole hip complex, including hips, glutes, hamstring, everything. Okay, so I'll just repeat this video again for all of you. I'm sure you must have maybe missed few points. So for you guys, I'm just play it again. फिर से एक बार देख लो हर एक जन, ऑब्जर्व करो. फर्स्ट इज एंकल ड्रिल, लैंडिंग ऑन बॉल ऑफ द फुट. Very nicely, he's just landing on the ball of the foot. Knee is not so, lifting too much, just 45 or less than that degree. Next is high knee. बहुत सारे कोचेस बहुत हाई नी प्रीफर करते हैं. So here you can see one thing you need to observe. This is, we called it as a support leg, and this is a free leg. Just remember this. So that in the next slides you can just observe this piece. Straight leg bounding. Just punching it down aggressively. Keep knee straight. Great. So this is all about the running drills. In progression of this drills, we are using one equipment that is kind of stick, you can say. So what are the advantages of this? So this is just a progression, and to concentrate your athlete more on the particular action. That is, you can say, as a leg movement here. And just you have to hold stick above your head straight and tell athletes to stay tall. I will look for a video. You can take any stick, any bar. Just don't take a weighted bar. Just lightweight, anything stick. Very nice tall posture, similar high knee action, but you can see him is pushing himself upright. Exactly. So this is stick drill. I will go through one by one to this frame of this whole running action. First one is drive phase. So your one leg is on the ground here. You can see it here, beginning of flight phase here, and another leg. This is a free leg, this is a support leg. Remember that. So extension at this ankle, knee, hip, and upright torso, straight body posture. So next is flight phase. So इसमें आपके दोनों foot air में होते हैं. So your both foot in the air. We called it as a flight phase. High parallel to the ground, dorsiflex toe. Okay, straight body posture. Next is recovery phase. So recovery phase is something like where it's a relaxation phase, we called it. So hamstring get little bit recovery here, and another leg is extending towards the ground. So front leg spreading and arms is relaxed. And lastly, support phase. See, look at here, the straight line from the ankle to the head, very important. And the free leg, eyes parallel to the 90 degree, nice flexion here. And heel is, you have to just remember this, the support leg should be underneath your hips. So very important here. जो स्पीड होती है वो कहीं पे हम बोल सकते हैं कि जेनेटिक होती है, because it's depend on the fast fibers. But guys, remember this. If you will train properly your neuromuscular system and your overall this, you will follow the skills, drills and everything. So you can go to the optimal speed. So एक चीज को हमें बहुत अच्छे से समझना होगा कि it's not about only the speed, it's about overall development. ठीक है, so हमें ये समझना होगा कि स्पीड भले ही जेनेटिक है, I know definitely it's genetic, but it is, I saw so many good athletes with the good speed, but they lost, they just got rested, या फिर वो कहीं पे वहाँ पे उतने लेवल पे नहीं कर पाए. So हमेशा ये ध्यान में रखना है. So just keep working on this fundamental skills and development things, and just working on your techniques. That's it.